Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can switch your arena player on FIFA 23. So as you know, this default player we got the Kylian Mbappe, and if you want to make a change you can go for the customize. Next you have to go for the settings and then go for the select arena player. You can also switch keeper when you move with the right stick to the right. So select arena player. As you can see, as a default, we got here set up the Kylian Mbappe. But if you want to get any team, you have to move with your controller with the R1 and the left one, and R2 and the left two buttons. So we can, with the two buttons, we can go between teams and league. But I would like to set, for example, maybe we can pick from Tottenham Hurricane. So click X to select the next player, then just go back, and when you open the arena, as you can see, the Hurricane is set up as a default player right now. And that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.